In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete your Twitter account. First of all, open the Twitter app on your phone. On this page, tap on the profile picture located in the top left corner. For this, you must log in with your account in Twitter X app. So now I'm on the profile page setting. Now you can see all settings on the screen. So tap on the settings and privacy. Over here, go with your account option. On this page, choose deactivate your account and scroll the screen to deactivate option. Here, enter your Twitter password to terminate the process and successfully delete your Twitter account. Your account will then disappear from being seen by others and you get logged out. If you don't log in before the 30 days are over, your account will be removed permanently. If you try to log in again before end of that period, it will ask you if you want to activate the account again. You guys, write thank you in the comment below if this video was found helpful. Thanks for watching.